Hello guys, how are you? One of the subscriber asked us to make a video on ionic equilibrium, pH, and you can see the other concepts based on ionic equilibrium. Today we are going to make a video on pH. Okay, pH, and here I am directly taking because we have competitive exam on January 4th for IIT JEE mains. I am making questions related to that only. Just go through that. Here, problems based on pH. Okay, yes, I am going to solve some problems. Based on calculation of pH. Calculation of pH of any compound we can see here. Right, let us see here different types of compounds we can see here. Strong acids, strong bases, weak acids, weak bases, and some salts also are there. Okay, they're related to strong acid, strong base, salt of strong acid, strong base, salt of weak acid, strong base, salt of strong acid, weak base, salt of weak acid and weak base. These many types of different salts pH we have to calculate solutions. We take here salt solution pH and acid pH, base pH, weak acid pH, weak base pH, in that manner. Now I'm directly writing the question and we'll go through one by one. Right, here the first one I'm going to write here. Question: the pH of 0.1 molar monobasic acid is, yes, I'm writing the question here. The pH of 0.1 molar monobasic acid, you can see here, is 4.50, we can see here. Yes, calculate the concentration of species. What they are asking here: calculate the concentration of species you can see here H plus, A minus, H plus, A minus, and HA. See, it's a weak acid. Formula of weak acid is HA, and conjugate base is A minus, and here it is H plus ion related to that acid, we can see here at equilibrium. At equilibrium. Okay, yeah, here continuation what they are asking: also determine the value of Ka and pKa and pKa of the monobasic acid, HA. In bracket what you can write here? HA. HA is the monobasic acid, we can see here. Right, okay, let us see this. How to solve this problem? Let us go through it. Yes, check it out here. Solution for this you can see here. Right, pH direct formula is that it's a weak acid, we can see here. pH is 4.5 means it's a weak acid, we can say here. Right, see, pH formula, there is a direct formula. Okay, direct formula is there for pH. For a weak acid like monobasic acid HA, pH is equal to 1/2 into pKa minus log C, we can see here. pKa minus log C. See, what is the pH for strong acid? you have to keep that in mind. pH for strong acid I am writing here. Right, I'll write here in the bracket. pH means already we know. I'll write that formula also. If any acid they'll give, strong acid for example it is, pH formula you can write directly pH equal to minus log H plus, concentration of H plus we can say here. Minus log H plus, this is minus log H plus we can say here. Okay, that is for strong acid. That is the formula. But here weak acid, that's why Ka is also associated with that we can say. Okay, yeah, you see here pH equal to what you can write. Now I am going to write this pH equal to concentration of H plus, you have to take minus log H plus we can see here. Right, it can be written as 2 into pH is equal to pKa minus log C. These two I brought it left side of the equation, it becomes log C we can see here. Right, now pKa becomes what? pKa is equal to, the equation it becomes 2 into pH plus this log C left side of the equation. I am bringing left side of the equation log C. This is the equation you can see. Therefore pKa equal to 2 into pH log C. Right, here pH how much they have given, substitute here 2 into 4.50, yes, plus concentration how much they have given here. Calculate the concentration of species they are asking here. Right, now concentration of solution, pH of 0.1 molar, you know, you see here 0.1 molar they have given. Yes, you can see here. Therefore it can be written as concentration C. C is concentration here, log 0.1 you substituted. Then what it becomes, let us see here. 2 into 4.50 means here it becomes what I am showing here. It is 9, you can say 4.5 into 2 means 9. 9.0 it becomes here, plus yeah, log 0.1 means plus log 0.1 means what we can write here, log 10 power minus 1. 0.1 means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 10 power minus 1, you can write it. Yeah, 9 plus 9.0 means 9, so you can write here minus 1 into log 10. But log 10 value how much we know already, log 10 equal to 1, we know that. Since log 10 equal to 1, we know that already, keep that in mind. Yes, therefore 9 and minus 1, that equal to 8. The value, therefore pKa what you can write here, pKa is equal to, they were asked to calculate pKa 8. This is first one, keep that in mind. Yes, next one what they were asking here, they were asking here Ka. Ka means what? pKa you got it here, you see pKa from this equation we got it, pKa equal to this much, you got it here. Now Ka means what we know, Ka, meaning of Ka means what, pKa equal to, there is an equation, pKa is equal to minus log Ka, you see that, minus log Ka. Yes, pKa is 8, already we got it here, substitute here, minus log Ka. Ka becomes what here, Ka equal to log Ka, I am writing here minus 8 because negative sign bring this side. Yeah, here it is already base 10 is there. How much is there? Base 10. You can see here base 10 will be there. If you write this, Ka is equal to 10 power minus 8. Therefore Ka equal to 10 power minus 8. Here we got it here, Ka value we got as well as pKa value we got. You see? Yes, here how to write this Ka equal to 10 power minus 8 only. I'll show you an example. I'll show you here. Keep that in mind. See, you know, log 100 value how much? Log 100 means what you can write here? Log 10 power 2 you can write. What you can write? Log 10 power 2. Log 10 power 2 means what we say? Log 10 power 2 means 2 into log 10. 2 into log 10 means what? 2 into 1. Log 10 means already 1. We know that already. Okay. Already we know that log 10 means 1. 2 into 1 it becomes 2. Log 100 is 2. Okay. Yes. In the same way, you see log 10 power 2. We have already seen that. Right. Now, log 100. If you take here 2, that is value is 2. We can say here. Now, right. You see that, for example, log 100 means what you can write here. It is already we got it 2, but what I am asking is, yes, look at here, base 10 already I told, right? Here base 10 is there, therefore log 10 equal to base 10, therefore 100 equal to what it becomes, 10 power 2. This is the value you will get, 10 power 2. You can write, this is also called as anti-log of 2 is 100. What we say? Anti-log of 2, because vice versa we can see here, log anti-log or vice versa we can say here. Therefore it can also be written as, you see, I am writing this here, okay, Ka equal to 10 power minus 8 in the same way, 10 power 2, okay, here log 100 equal to 2, but you know 100 equal to 10 power 2. If you remove log, then it is called anti-log. Anti-log of 2 is 100. Keep that in mind. Okay. Yes. Ka we got it here. Now, see, from this equation what we have to calculate now. Second one they were asking here, dissociation. You know, calculate the concentration of H plus, concentration of A minus. Okay. You can see here, as well as concentration of HA at equilibrium. Okay. Yes. In order to find out all these, what we require is, just see here, we require, you know, the equation here I am showing. I am writing the equation here. You see, HA gives rise to H plus plus A minus. We can see here H plus plus A minus. Initially how much it becomes, you know, here I am writing the equation here. Initially concentration C, it is 0 0 at time t equal to 0. Initial, we can say here initial C 0 before dissociation, but here at equilibrium what it becomes, at equilibrium, yes, C into here 1 minus alpha, we can write it here, C alpha. See, concentration is C. For example, percentage or some fraction is dissociated into H plus and some fraction dissociated into A minus. That is called alpha. How much fraction? If it is 1 mole, for example, from 1 mole 0.2 moles dissociated. Therefore, if it is dissociate 0.2 moles, it appears 0.2 and it is also appears as 0.2. Initial concentration is C. Therefore, you have multiplied here C alpha. Okay. Yes. Now from this what you can write here, equilibrium constant you have to write, because it's an equilibrium reaction. Equilibrium constant, that is called as here, you know, acid dissociation constant. What we say? Acid dissociation constant, that is Ka. Already we have calculated that. Ka, this is K equilibrium of acid. What we say? Acid dissociation constant. Acid dissociation constant, we can say that. Yes, look at here, Ka equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus by concentration of HA. This is the equation. Concentration of H plus, how much here? H plus is C alpha and also A minus is also C alpha. You can see here, by concentration of HA, how much at equilibrium? C into 1 minus alpha. Keep that in mind. Okay, C into 1 minus alpha. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, now look at here. When we observe C get cancelled, one of the C, then what you can write here? C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. This is Ka, you can say expression, right? See, if alpha is very small, condition is what here? If alpha is very small, then therefore 1 minus alpha is approximately becomes 1. Keep that in mind. Approximately becomes 1, we can see here. 1 minus alpha becomes what here? 1. Yes, let us see that. Here, yes, you see 1 minus alpha is approximately becomes 1. Therefore, alpha square is equal to, I am writing one more step here, alpha square, because it becomes what here from this, what it becomes? Ka equal to only C alpha square, because 1 minus alpha is very small compared to, that means you can write this step also. Alpha is very small with respect to 1, we can say here 1 is very much greater than alpha, then 1 minus alpha becomes 1, because it is negligible compared to 1. It's very extremely small, we can say here alpha is extremely small, therefore 1 minus alpha becomes 1. Therefore C alpha square becomes what here? Ka by C. Okay, therefore alpha becomes what here? Alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. This is the basic for all acids constants, you have to keep in mind. It's very important equation, keep that in mind. Okay, yes, it is the basic you have to keep in mind. Alpha equal to root over Ka by C. Yes, we are going to calculate alpha here, right? Alpha, because if you come to know alpha, then you come to know concentration of H plus. Concentration of H plus means C alpha. Concentration of A minus means also C alpha. Concentration of HA means C into 1 minus alpha, you can see here. Okay, therefore we are going to calculate here alpha. You see, alpha is equal to, I am writing the equation, root over Ka by C. You see, Ka value how much here? 10 power minus 8. C value how much? Concentration how much they have given here? 0.1 molar. You see here how much concentration they have given here? 0.1 molar. Therefore we are going to take that. Ka we have already calculated. How much we have calculated? 0.8 we have calculated. 10 power minus 8 we have calculated. Concentration is 0.1. Okay, it is root, you can say that. From this equation we have taken here, therefore 10 power minus 8 by 0.1 we can say here. Okay, yes, now the point here is how much it is. It can be written as 10 power minus 8 means what you can write? I am writing that 10 power minus 4 whole square. 10 power minus 8 means into 1 by 10. 0.1 means 1 by 10, that becomes 10 here. You can see here root over 10. Yes, 10 power minus 8 is written minus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 minus 8. Therefore here in this manner 0.1 means 1 by 10, it becomes 10. You can see here, right? Therefore it can be written as continuation 10 power minus 4 into root 10, because root 10 value how much? Root 10 value, how to calculate root 10? Yes, I'll explain root 10 how to calculate. You take here 10, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. You can see here root calculation of root here, root 10 here. How to calculate? I am showing that 3 3s are 9. You see, and it is 1 is remaining. You have to take 2 zeros. You have to take a decimal point here. Again add 3 here, because 3 you have taken, add 3, 6 it becomes. How many times it can be? If you take 1 here, 1 only you should take. 2 here, 2 only you should take. 3 here, 3 only you should take. See, 61 ones are 61. 62 twos are, because 2 only you have to take here. 62 twos are how much it becomes? I'm writing with one more color. You see here. Yeah, 62 twos are how much it becomes? 124. But it is greater than lesser than 124. Therefore you have to take only 1. 61 ones are that is 61 only you have to consider here. Okay, yeah, that means how much it is? 10 minus 1 9, you can see here 10 minus 1 9, you know, here 9 is remaining, you can say that 9, if it goes if you subtract here, subtract from 9 6, if you subtract here, then it becomes 3, you can say that 39 is your answer here. Okay, right, you see that now 39 you got it here. Now again what you have to do, you have to add plus 1 again. Where you have to add plus 1? Yes, look at this, plus 1 add, it becomes 62. Then you have to take 2 zeros again here. How many times it can be? How many times it can be? If you take 621, I am changing again color, you see that. Yeah, if you take here one time, 621 one time, 622 two times, 623 three times, 624 four times, 625 five times, 626 six times, in that manner you have to take here. Therefore what we are going to take, because 3900 means how many times it can be? 5 times approximately 600, 5 times how much it becomes? 6 5s are 30, 3000, but it is 3900 is there. Okay, that's why we are going to take here 6 times. 6 times if you take here, how much it becomes? It's very close to that. Yes, let us see that. If you take 6 times, 6 6 are 36, I am writing here, 3 is there. Now 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 3 is there, no? 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15, 1 is there. 6 6 are 36, 15, 1 is there. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 1 how much? 37. Yes, now how much it becomes? Let us see here. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4 again, because here you have taken carried 10 here, that's why 9 it becomes, you can see that, again carried 8 minus 7 1, 144. Yeah, 144 is there. Again you have to add, what you have to add here? Zeros. You have to add zeros like this, and again you have to add plus 6, then what it becomes? 6 plus 6 12, 12 means 1, 6 32. Now how many times it can be? It can be, if you take here 2 times, 3 times, like that it can be carried continued like that. If you take here 1 time 6000, 2 times 6000, 2 times how much it can be? 12,000. It's very close to 14,000 is there. 2 times you can consider here, you take 2 times, then what it becomes? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 again, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Yes, it's very close to, it will be continued like this. I am taking up to 3 decimal points. Yes, therefore root 10 value, how much it comes here? Right, I am writing that root 10 value 10 power minus 4 into, see, this is only for any value it can be calculated in this manner. Root value, how to calculate means, keep that in mind, in this manner you have to calculate. Okay, yes, root 10 value 3.162, you have to keep that in mind. Okay, yes, now you got it here, alpha. Then what is the relation between concentration of H plus and concentration of A minus? You see, concentration of H plus equal to what? The square bracket indicates concentration, C alpha, and concentration of A minus is also what? C alpha, because we have already taken here equilibrium constant, where we have taken C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha. Concentration of H plus is C alpha, concentration of A minus is also C alpha. Therefore here both of them, they are same. C concentration, how much it is? 0.1, and A is how much you got? Alpha. Alpha how much you got? Alpha I am writing here. Therefore alpha is equal to, this is the value, keep that in mind. Alpha how much it can be? 0.1 into 3.62 into 10 power minus 4. This is what it is equal to, concentration of H plus as well as concentration of A minus. Yes, how much it becomes here? 3.162 you can say here. Yeah, 3.162 into, yes, now how much it becomes? I am writing here 3.162 into 10 power, see 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what? 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 4 plus 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 5 directly. This is therefore what you can write here. Therefore, concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of A minus, that is equal to how much it is? 3.162 into 10 power minus 5 molar, we can say here. Okay, concentration 0.1 molar you have multiplied, that's why it becomes here. This is the answer, you can say that. Okay, next what? Concentration of HEA. Concentration of HEA, how much it is? Concentration of HEA equal to how much? C into 1 minus alpha. From this equation, you know, C into 1 minus alpha concentration, because they have asked in question C into concentration of HA also. But what we know already, it is approximately 1 minus alpha equal to what we know? C only, right? It is 1 minus alpha, we have taken here 1, because alpha is very small compared to 1. Therefore, you have taken only C. Therefore, that is equal to what? That is equal to 0.1 molar. Okay, C only. Therefore, here concentration of HA equal to concentration. Square bracket indicates concentration. Keep that in mind. 0.1 molar. This is the final answer. 0.1 molar. Concentration of H plus you got. Concentration of A minus you got. Concentration of HA you got. You know, Ka value you got it here. Ka, where is Ka here? Ka we have calculated and pKa also calculated. Therefore, totally we have calculated Ka, pKa and H plus A minus HA. Okay, they have asked in the question. Keep that in mind. This is the, for weak base you have to keep that in mind. Equation it becomes what? 1 by 2 log pKa minus log C. This is a point you have to keep in mind. Okay, we'll go through next question. All of you look at here. We'll go through next question. Right. Yes, look at C. Look at here. We'll go through the next one. Calculate the pH of. I'm taking one more question here. Yeah, let us see here. Calculate the pH of 0.08 molar solution of HOCl. HOCl means hypochlorous acid. What is this? Hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, you can see here. Okay, yeah, the dissociation constant of this acid is the acid dissociation, we can say here the dissociation constant, or we can say it as ionization constant. Ionization constant of the acid is, you see here dissociation constant means what you can write here? Ka. Acid dissociation constant is 2.5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, yes. Now what we have to do here, determine the percentage of dissociation of HOCl. Determine the percentage of dissociation of HOCl. You have to find it out. Okay, let us see here. Yes, how much Ka value here they have given? The Ka value they have given here, just look at this. Ka equal to 2.5. yes, let's look at the solution. Ka is given, that equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, 2.5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, yes. Now here, in order to find out this, we required here, as it determine the percentage of dissociation means, alpha value I said, right? That is, degree of dissociation. Alpha is known as degree of dissociation. If you multiply that alpha value into 100, that is called as percentage of dissociation. Alpha means what here? Degree of dissociation. That means, if you take 1 mole, 0.1 mole is dissociated, or 0.2 moles dissociated, 0.5 moles dissociated, that is called degree. That is called degree of dissociation. Keep that in mind. This is called dissociation constant or ionization constant, Ka. Ka means ionization constant, and alpha means degree of dissociation. See, percentage of dissociation means if you multiply this into 100, alpha into 100 becomes what here? Percentage of dissociation. Keep that in mind. Alpha percent we can say here. Percentage of dissociation we can say that. Keep that in mind. Yeah. Now, how much it can be? Let us see here. Right. First, in order to do that, what we required? We required here pH. Then after that alpha. Okay. Yes. Alpha value. pH value required, alpha value required, all these we have to find it out. Let us see here. Right, pKa equal to what you can say? Ka is there already. Ka value is given here. Yes, here Ka equal to what you can write is 25 into 10 power minus 6. That means 25 into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 1, you can write it. 10 power minus 6 we can say here. Okay. Okay, let us see that. Now, from this what we are going to, why we have taken like this? Because pKa means what we said, pKa is equal to minus log Ka, right? Minus log 25 into 10 power minus 6. You see? Yes, what you can write? Log A into B. The value is what here? Log A into B. Log A into B means what we can say here? Log A plus log B. Therefore, I am writing here, I am going to write minus log 25 minus, okay, because log A plus log B, but negative sign is there. Therefore, minus, yeah, if you want to write, I will write one more step here. Keep it in bracket plus, it is, take it as common, log 10 power minus 6. You can see here, okay, right. Then after what you can write, I am writing the further step here, minus log 25, I am separating that, minus into plus, minus log 10 power minus 6, you can see here, okay, yes, equal sign is there, you can see that. This is equal to, yes, here minus log, it can be written as 5 square, 5 into 5 25, that's why 5 square it can be written. It, what you can write here, minus, if it comes this side, minus into minus 6 log 10. Log 10 means 1, we know already. Yeah, minus into minus 6 we can see here. That what you are going to write, minus 2 into log 5, 2, because 2 comes here, minus 2 into log 5, minus into minus plus, plus 6 into 1, 6, only 1 we can say here, it is 1, we can keep that in mind, that's why into 6, plus minus into minus plus, plus 6 we can write it here, okay, yes. Now the point is, log 5 value how much? Log 5 value how much? Log 5 value, if you go through log table, okay, log 5 value is 0.7. If you keep that in mind, log 5 is equal to, keep that in mind, you see 0.7. Keep that in mind, log 5 equal to 0.7. Therefore, I am directly substituting that, minus 2 into 0.7 plus 6. Minus 2 into 0.7 plus 6 means how much? Minus 2 into 0.7 means minus 2 7s are 14, 1.4 plus 6, okay, yes, here 6 minus 1.4, how much it becomes? It is plus 4.6, you can see here, okay, how much it becomes? plus 4.6 we can say here. This is the value. What is this? pKa. pKa equal to minus plus 4.6. I am writing that pKa, whatever we have calculated, pKa equal to plus 4.6. Keep this in mind because further we are going to use this. Ka we have already, Ka is given, pKa we have calculated. Now pH means what? What is pH here? pH equal to, I am writing here, since it is weak acid or strong acid here, solution of HOCl, it's a weak acid, keep that in mind. Therefore it can be written as pH is equal to 1/2 pKa minus log C. This is the equation direct to pH for weak acid. We can see here, right? How much it becomes? 1/2 pKa how much? 4.6. Log C how much? C concentration how much? Already we have seen here 0.08 molar. 0.08 molar. Yes, I am taking that. Log 0.08. You see that? Okay, yes. Now let us see here. 1/2, take that. 4.6 minus, it can be written as what you can write here? Log, again log AB, I am going to write here 8 into 10 power minus 2. You can write this total. Yeah, you can take in this manner 8 into 10 power minus 2. Log AB, you can write it as 1/2 into 4.6 minus log 8 minus log 10 power minus 2. You can write that. Okay, completely in bracket. You can see that. Okay, yes. Yeah, you see that here log 8 means how much? What is the value of log 8? Let us see here. Yes, you see 1/2 into 4.6 log 2 power 3. You can write 2 power 3 means 8 only. You see that it minus 2 minus into minus 2, what it becomes? Log plus 2 it becomes here. Log 10 means 1. Okay, I am taking here log 10 means 1 directly. I am taking, keep that in mind. Yes, now what you can write this? It can be written as 1/2 4.6 minus 3 minus 3 log 2. 3 here you see 3 into minus 3 log 2 becomes, it becomes minus 3 log 2. Minus into minus plus 2, you can write it. Okay, yes, let us say that. Now here 1/2 into 4.6 minus 3 log 2 value how much? 0.3. Log 2 value I am writing here, since yes plus 2, write this plus 2 I have written here, since I am writing this here, since log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log 2 value how much? 0.3010. keep that in mind. We have taken 0.3. yes, here how much you can write here? 1/2 4.6 0.3 into 3 how much? 0.9 plus 2. You can say here 4.6 plus 2 how much? 4.6 plus 2 6.6 6.6. you can say here minus 0.9. 6.6 minus 0.9 how much it is? Yes, you see 6.6 minus 0.9 how much it is? You see you can say here 1/2 into, yes, here you can say that take 16 minus 9 5 7. You can say here 7. You can say that 5.7. yes, 5.7 you will get, right? 5.7 means what it becomes here? 2 2s are 4, 1 is there, 2 8s are 16, 1 is there, 2 5. That means what is the final value you will get here? 2.85. Yes, this is the, what is the value of this? pH, what you got it here? pH of weak acid already we have seen here. pH equal to continuation, you see 1 by 2 pKa log C we have taken here. pH, therefore pH is equal to 2.85. This is one more. We are going to use this pKa we got, pKa we have used here. Okay, pKa value we have used here. Whatever we got, then pH we are going to use further. Okay, yes. Alpha how much? Because we required to find out alpha also. Alpha equal to how much? Let us see here. Yes, you see alpha is equal to, let us write here, alpha is equal to root Ka by C. Just now we have seen in in this video only we have seen Ka how much it is. Ka is 2.5 into or 25 into 10 power minus 6. Already we have seen that. Divides C. C how much here? 0.08. Already we have gone through that. 0.08. Just go through that. Concentration of 0.08 molar of HCl. They have given that. Yeah, it is, you know how much it becomes. I am writing this one more step here. 25 continuation you can write here. 25 into 10 power minus 6 into 0.08 means 8 by 100. That means denominator of denominator becomes numerator. It becomes 8. Yeah, this is the value you will get. Now here what it becomes? 10 power minus 6, 10 power 2. 100 means what? 10 power 2. That means what it becomes? 25 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, yes, 25 into 10 power minus 4 we can write it, divided by, you can write 4 into 2. For 8 you can write it as 4 into 2. Why I am writing, I will show you now. Here root of 25 how much? 5. Root of 10 power minus 4 how much? 10 power minus 2. Root of 4 how much? 2. Root of 2, root 2. That's it. 25, root of 25, square root of 25, 5. And you see, keep that in mind. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 2. Square root of 2, 2. Square root of 2 is root 2. You have written that. Okay, yes. Now what it becomes here? What it becomes? You can say that, right, I am writing one more step here. It becomes 2.5. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, yes, we can say here 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10. After decimal point 2.5 you can write it. Yes, it can be written as 2.5. Root 2 value how much you know? 1.414. Root 2 value how much? 1 point. Same method I have explained just now. How to find out root. Root 2 value 1.414 into 10 power minus 2. You can write it here. Yes. See, yes, 2.5. I am writing that one here. 2.5 by 1.414 into 10 power minus 2. Whatever we have written here, I am writing as it is. Alpha value, this is related to alpha. You can say that. Yes, how much it becomes? You can see that. Yeah, you see here 2.5 by 1.414. What it becomes here? You can write. See, let us see that 10 power minus 2 means it can be written 1.4 approximately you can take here. 10.5 by 1.4 means how much it becomes? You know, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are. That means 5 by 3. I am taking approximately. Yes, I am taking approximately here 2.5 by 1.4. Okay, into 10 power minus 2. You can say that. 1.4, you see, approximately we have taken here 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 by 3 you can write it here. Yes, how much you will get here? 3 ones are 3, you can say that. 3 ones are 3. How much is remaining? 2 is remaining. Okay, 2 is remaining. Yes, see, it's approximately how much you will get is 0 1 point, yeah, 1 point, here 3 6s are 3 7s are approximately, you can say 3 7s are 21, very close to 21. 2 means 21, we can say here, right? 1.7, you can say that much. How much value you will get here? 0.017 you will get approximately. It's very close actually. 0.017 the overall value you will get it here. That means what you can write here, it can be written as, yeah, it can be written as here 1.7 you have taken here, 0.010 here, no, right? You see that 1.7, yeah, 0.017, 2 decimals it will be displaced towards this, therefore 0.017 you can get it here, right? Molar. Now what we have to consider, concentration of HOCl. From this equation, it's these many molar, we can say here. How many molar? These many molar, we can say that. Yeah, you see that, yeah, look at here, HOCl concentration, it's aqueous, because it's ionization, it's undergoing ionization, therefore H2O liquid will be there in this, it's included in that. It gives rise to H3O plus aqueous, just look at here, plus ClO minus, what it is? ClO minus, hypochlorite ion, we can say here, it's also aqueous, we can see this, right? Initial concentration is how much? 0.08. It is initial, you can say here, it is 0 0. Initially no dissociation. At equilibrium, concentration at equilibrium, concentration at equilibrium, initial concentration, you can say here, concentration at equilibrium, what it becomes here? 0.08 into 1 minus alpha into, yeah, here C alpha, you can say that. Okay, yes, here what it becomes? 0.08. C means what? You can write directly 0.08, here also 0.08, because C is there. C is how much? They have given 0.08, therefore 0.08, 0.08, you can take it here. Now let us see here. Yeah, you have you know, yes, let us see that concentration of H plus, concentration of, you know, they have asked here to find out pH and we have done it. Then after what they are asking here, ionization constant, they have given determination of percentage of dissociation, they have given here. Percentage of dissociation means percentage of alpha we have to, but directly if you do this percentage of dissociation, whether alpha you got it into 100, can you write directly? No. Why is it? Because why? Because it's a weak acid, therefore how much dissociation it is undergoing, we have to see that. See, before dissociation and after dissociation we have to take it. Before dissociation concentration is how much, after dissociation is concentration how much, then you have to take here into 100. Yeah, let us take that. Right, now you see that concentration of H plus, concentration of Cl minus, we have to find out here. Yes, let us see that Ka equal to acid dissociation constant I am taking here, you can say that, but dissociation constant already they have given, no need to worry about it. Concentration of H3O plus, okay, concentration of H3O plus how much? C alpha, you can see here, and concentration of this is equal to also what? Concentration of ClO minus, both, you can say that. Yeah, see, Concentration is how much? 0.08. Concentration of alpha how much? Value of alpha how much? 0.017. Okay, 0.017. Yeah, look at here. Here, right, this 0.017, we can say that. Right, let us see here. 0.08 into 0.017, this is the value you will get here. That equal to how much it can be? 17 into 8. 17 8 how much here? 136, you can see here. Okay, 7 8 56, and 7 8 1 8 8 plus 5 3 136, you can see here. Okay, 17 8 136, you can say that. Yes, here 136 into, yes, how many decimal points totally? 5 decimal points it comes. How many decimal points it comes here? 5 decimal points. We can say here 136 into 10 power minus 5. That means what you can write here? 1.36 into 10 power minus 3 molar. This is the concentration. 1.36 into 10 power minus 5 molar. Yes, here it can be written how much? Therefore, percentage of dissociation is equal to, percentage dissociation equal to HOCl, concentration of HOCl dissociated by concentration of HOCl undissociated. Concentration of HOCl undissociated. And before dissociation, undissociated, you can see here, into 100. Yes, now how much it can be? I am writing that here. See, after dissociation, concentration of HOCl how much? 1.36 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, yes, before dissociation how much? 0.08. yes, you can see that, into 100, anyway, into 100. What is the value you will get hit here? Yes, how many times it can be? It is very close to, you can see here, into 100 we can do that, but 136 by 8. 136 by 8 means how much it can be? 8 1s are 8, 5 is there, 8 7s are 56. Yes, here that means approximately, no, 8 7s are 50, 8 1s are 8, here 8 plus 5 13, 5 56. Yes, here you can say that 136 by 8 it becomes here, because decimal points are cancelled out. You can say that it becomes 817. Okay, 17 8s are 136, you got it here already, into 10 power minus 10 power 2 10 power 1. Yeah, that means how much it is? 1.7 percentage. This is the value, final value how much? The percentage of dissociation is 1.7 percentage. This is the final answer. Okay, yes, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Okay, yes, here in this manner we have already covered here acids, related to acids of weak acids only. We'll cover the remaining parts. We can say ionic product, we can say that, and solubility product, ionic product, buffer solution. Okay, these concepts are there. We'll cover in next video, or I'll try to cover one by one video. I'll make it on this. Okay, right, thank you. I hope you can understand all this. If you have any doubts, you just write in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much.